I think also we're going to inspire our children and require from them other things besides electronics. We want to encourage them to use their time in different ways, and sometimes that requires parental control. That no, we're not going to play on electronics right now. In fact, you can't even have any electronics until these things happen in your life. That you're engaging spiritually with the Lord, or you're demonstrating some kindness with your brother, or you're doing some chores around the house. In that way, we're helping our child have more balance in their lives, and that often requires parental control to do that. Remember, children who don't have self-control need parental control in order to manage electronics. And rarely does a child have enough internal strength to manage electronics today. Most children need to have some management outside of themselves. That's why we exert these controls on children, to help them to develop what they need internally. I want to talk to you about privacy for just a moment, because some children believe that privacy is a right. And if they've been dishonest, if they're not able to manage themselves well, then privacy is not a right. It is a privilege. And so that's why sometimes we say to a child, you need to do your homework out here where we can see what you're doing. Because sometimes a child will be doing his homework and watching the lecture on the computer while at the same time having a YouTube video on that he's listening to or watching at the same time. And that's counterproductive.